Welcome to my channel, TK Learn. Subscribe now. Peacock, peacock. Peacock means more. Sparrow, sparrow. Sparrow means goria. Crow, crow. Crow means koa. Parrot, parrot. Parrot means tota. Pigeon, pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Eagle, eagle. Eagle means garud. Owl, owl. Owl means ullu. Duck, duck. Duck means batak. Swan, swan. Swan means hans. Woodpecker, woodpecker. Woodpecker means katfodwa. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Kingfisher means ramchariya. Vulture, vulture. Vulture means gid. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Cuckoo means koyal. Hawk, hawk. Hawk means baz. Penguin, penguin. Penguin means penguin. Ostrich, ostrich. Ostrich means shuturmurg. Falcon, falcon. Falcon means baz. Heron, heron. Heron means bagula. Flamingo, flamingo. Flamingo means rajhans. Robin, robin. Robin means the heck.